refuse derived fuel the neka waste to fuel plan goman ka thaw pynkylla jhep cha rngaw uji upen mkam hawa chat watu the one why ka neka sngi Tura the umantri rang ba ka jala ukon rat sangma hai lang u His Excellency Chan Jebok u ambassador ka South Korea to India kani ka pilot project namo iperchang ng kong haperdi ka sarkar Meghalaya lengba ka Tura Municipal Board wa ka company Chamhana GW ko na South Korea daraya ka hagayalang haperdi ki he ka Chamhana Institute of Technology South Korea waya akmat da udong min choi chairman hasilong haga khatli teruk bisu arja ka kende Menteri rang ba wag sehab da priang ya ini rukam pynkylla jhep haden ipun snyau tho wai darai wa pynkreh ka kat kam ka PPP mod wochna ya kejat khar khna wakian ko klem da hap penut poisa ka sarkar Meghalaya konrat da banjo ruwa ini to irkom mo bicha chwa ya irkom pynkreh kam chwa wo sdang yeju hak wi gisor kam hasilong wa kiwi kat kam ka sekolah darai wo bu chwa ya ki kor wo yu permi 5,000 metric ton ha ithau no jhep Tura wa kat ni wai ro em la i jika ya ku kre da ka Chamhana ko em hok wo pen la ye mar rngaw wa da penmi yo penmi poisa ko ya da pen lut wo pynkreh kam ya kani ka thau kani ka kre le to usdang ngaw arja arpa tangwan islam ne bon ka klam covid-19 bari ye ukit ya gitiar kita na mata kani ka thau da jahat se India nei te che Tura wan da usurok ha uthot lakmi ha musnem kani ko em Tura da bu kam nong manaw pen sket irkom kreh kam na mo ka proof of concept wai wo pat ya ye upriang ya jhep wa mi na Tura wa ki thau irkom pynkylla ka Chamhana ya jhep cha rngaw to de pen mi ya waste stuff de wa kleh lang wa ki jek de wai wa chna karpang wa ye pynkylla ya jhep cha rngaw ya jhep wa put na mo organic waste wa ki mi de pynkylla de bi to wan na mo ki non recyclable kam ki plastic do pen em kam mo chna ya waste stuff ro ki jhep lai na ki nar ki yit ki deng ki mo ki ndabilat wa ki daw tliat ya ki nei te daw khle wa waste stuff kam jo i Dubai bo gerpang chwa pen mi ya rngaw ki wom sma ki wom mi te dem man thang ini ro kom pynkylla jhep to de ki kor bai klem em kam ki bru kra kon rak sang ma ngai scam uwa ini ikam daw man i wo job krang yo ye ule ye em kam ni chaprang hei to wa jhep wa kam ini daw wan ra la asilong to wai wa ki thau Meghalaya
and therefore I am extremely happy and would like to thank the entire team that has made this happen and would like to also state that countries like South Korea that have made huge advancements in technology and have been able to provide cutting-edge technology in many aspects in many regions and in many fields. They have a lot to contribute to the world, and I'm happy that we as a state, we as a town are today being able to collaborate with South Korea and with the nation and able to now bring the technology here. Excellency, I am sure that this is just the beginning. There will be many other areas of collaboration that we look forward to. Second, we need to see whether that technology will actually work for us, because it may work somewhere else, but if it doesn't work for us, it's as good as, it's useless. So therefore, affordability and adaptability and utility of technology is what defines technology in terms of its relevance to the problem and to the people and the region and the area that we're talking about. So when I saw this technology that's being implemented on video, of course, I could immediately connect and say that it looks like this is going to be doable. And today, so this has just come out of the machine just now, and what I've been told is that so this has basically been now mixed. This is Tura garbage made by all of us. And normally it would lie in the fields behind the screens. But I hope, and I'm very sure, I'm told that it is burning. This is an energy block converted out of the waste that people of Tura produce.
Yeah, this is my very first visit to Meghalaya. I'm very happy to see this win-win project from the technology developed by Korean SME and the Meghalaya state government. So I think this is the cooperating together between Korean and Indian people and Korean and Indian companies. So through this, as the chief minister said at the inaugural ceremony, this is just the beginning of the process. And through this project, you are going to have the whole range of the garbage management, and then it will lead to the well-being and prosperity of the happiness of the Meghalaya people. And our embassy in New Delhi will make our efforts to further develop this kind of mutually beneficial project and cooperation in the future.